All right, we all want to make money right now. Economy's tight, businesses are having a tough time, and people are looking to Pinterest for how to make money. That is great and all. We're going to talk about that in this video, but I want to just give you one thing to think about before we dive into this. And that is, stop thinking about just selling a product, making money, and start thinking about delivering value, showing that you can address the concern of the Pinterest user. You can address their pain point. Your product can solve a problem. And I believe when you switch from just selling a product to showing value, it will make a world of difference. I am Kate All. I'm the owner of Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing agency. We've been doing this now for 10 years. And my goal in this video is to help you understand how to do Pinterest so that your business can grow. Let's dive in. We're going to specifically address two ways to make money. You're either selling your own product or you're doing affiliate marketing. There's a lot of promises out there for affiliate marketing and how you can make all this money in 1 month. And I'm not saying it's not true, but I'm just saying it's a little harder to get to that point overnight. So there's some strategic things you need to do first for affiliate marketing. And then we're going to talk about selling your products, both ways to make money. For affiliate marketing, number one is Pinterest is visual. So people are looking at the image, they're not reading. So you might spend all your time on this amazing pin description, pin title, and you're thinking about the person that you're targeting. That's great, but they're not reading it. They're looking at the image. So does this image give just enough context to where it sounds like it's going to solve their problem? It's going to give them something they've never heard about before, or they're going to be intrigued. So think about your image from that vantage point as the first step in delivering the value so that people want to know more. The hardest way to make money on Pinterest is to go too broad. So if you are just saying, well, here's the 10 best things for summer, then how does that apply to you? How does that apply to the person that you're targeting? But if we get more specific and we say the 10 best travel tips for moms traveling alone, that's really specific for that person who's like, yeah, I'm traveling with my kids by myself, or I'm doing something that requires me to solo parent for a little bit of time. I'm now intrigued and interested. What are your tips? And in that post, you're going to have maybe some affiliate links with tools that you know the mom can use, some snacks, some games, some really cool maybe gadgets for flying on a plane or driving in a car. You want to stack that with a value that she's looking for. That's how you sell money off of affiliate marketing. This is a kind of a cool way to do affiliate marketing and making money on Pinterest, but I want to stress caution. So you can tag on the specific Pinterest image your affiliate link, which means if they see the image, they click on that, they go straight to the product. But using the example we just went through, if you have a whole list of everything that can help this mom who's traveling alone with children, she might want to read first before she purchases. So if you have a blog post that's talking about one specific item, then I recommend you also tag that on the Pinterest image. But if you have a post that has multiple items, I kind of recommend staying away from that because you want them to read and engage a little bit more in your blog post, which is really delivering value. So here's a great example. We have that blog post for the mom who's solo traveling with her kids. Don't tag your affiliates on the Pinterest image, but let's say that you have this amazing thing for the plane. It is a foot hammock. I actually just used one of those on a long haul flight and they are amazing. And maybe you have this entire blog post about how this foot hammock has completely revolutionized the way you do long haul airplane travel. Then I would recommend you tag it on the specific Pinterest image because you're only talking about one thing. So that's the difference. Tag with one, don't tag with multiple. But we love that Pinterest is very friendly to tagging affiliate products. The last is think about the intent of the person that is going to be clicking on your image or reading your blog post. What are they looking for? What problems are you solving? This is another way to say deliver value. Don't just create a blog post because you heard you can do 5 top things that moms need for traveling. If you have personal experience, I guarantee that that personal experience will help you sell more products because you can say, I tried this, I liked it, or I tried this and I didn't like like it. This is why I prefer this brand over this brand. People value that so much because it's like a referral, right? It's how friends talk to each other. So think about the intent that the shopper has and really hone in on that. That is how you make more money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. All right, if you are looking for Pinterest business advice and tools and resources and news, then I'd love for you to sign up for our weekly Pinterest Made Simple newsletter. This is brought to you every Wednesday. I write it and I gather together all the resources, all the news that's happening around the interwebs, and help serve up to you in a really simple, easy to read format where you can understand what's happening on Pinterest. You can get access to tools that will help you get better, and you'll be able to talk about Pinterest at a party like you know exactly what you are talking about. So it's basically the Pinterest Cliff Notes. Again, you can get this for free at simplepinmedia.com/newsletter. Just click the link below in the description to sign up now. Now let's talk about the second way that you can make money, and that's off of your own products. This can be physical products or digital products, whatever you sell. Now this creates like a slightly different variable. You're still showing value. That's really important to do, but you have a lot more to work with because it's your product. It's, you know it intimately much more than something that's could be an affiliate. So number one is lifestyle content. So let's take that example of the mom traveling by herself. Let's say that she has created this specific product for a road trip. And it's this really great thing that kids have that their crayons don't slide off and holds their iPad, holds their snack. It's this really amazing product that she's created. She wants to show it in action. She wants to show her kids using it in the car. That's what we mean by lifestyle content. It's showing it in context of how it's used. If you have a beauty brand that you want to show this particular facial regimen on a bathroom counter, or if it's makeup, you want to show it in a makeup counter. I have watched probably 100 of those Stanley Cup like clip-on video things that are hilarious. But you know why it gets me to watch is because it's in the kitchen. They show as if they're doing something in life. It's lifestyle content. I'm now engaging with it and I'm super intrigued by it. Do I think it's crazy? Yes. But there's some people who watch that and say, I want that. That's the lifestyle that I want to connect with. Tutorials show how it is used. If you have a product that people ask a lot of questions about, or they don't know kind of the features, show it. Do a video. Less than 30 seconds, even if it's sped up, will probably get you a lot of good engagement because you're showing how it's used. Even if it's a beauty product, you can show before and after. You can show somebody washing their face, doing a whole morning routine. If you have the road trip, you can show something about how to clip it into the car or how it works. This helps people identify with how it can fold into their lives. So don't forget to show it in action and how it works. All right, there's nothing more powerful than a 5-star. I don't know about you, but I go to Amazon, I'm going to buy a product and I instantly read the reviews. If something has 3 stars or less, I'm probably going to skip by it because I know that it's probably not a good product side by side compared to somebody who has 5 stars. So leverage stars in your Pinterest image. Leverage the good things that people are saying to you about your product. Put those in a Pinterest image. Talk about how this saved them time, save them money. Those are the 2 things that people are thinking about right now. And if your customer is telling you that your product did that, you want to include that in your Pinterest image. So think about it. You have one product, you can now do lifestyle content, tutorials, and now you can do customer reviews and testimonials. You've got all these entry points that lead to one destination, but really get people warmed up and show the value of your product. Last, you do not want to miss out on trends or seasonality for your product. So if we're talking about the road trip product that the mom has created for her kids, summer is going to be the high time and probably during the holidays. I would imagine that there's probably less searches for these types of things from like January to March or April when spring break kind of happens again. So she needs to know when it is that she needs to get her content out there to match the trends, to match the keyword searches. Okay, so those are 2 great ways for you to make money on Pinterest, through affiliate marketing and through showcasing your own products. The theme that they have between the 2 of them is showing value. That is really important for an audience on Pinterest that is cold to you, that doesn't know you, that doesn't know anything about your product. So do your due diligence, and instead of just trying to get the sale, show the value, show the value. That is the most important way that you're going to make money on